My grandparents bought this property in 1912. It was great. I had freedom to roam around and through the woods and around the fields, and before I could even tell time, I would be wanting to know how long it was before we had to go back to town. We were in the woods a lot. We cut wood, firewood, logs, pulpwood, and silviculture. Yeah, well, this is a tree that my grandfather would have tapped when he bought this place in 1912. So it's been around here a long time. In 1995, the tag program that was put in place for the fishermen who'd lost their jobs due to the cod moratorium planned a trail system on some of our property and other properties to provide income for a bridge for them until they get into something else. It took 2 or 3 years to build what we have now. I kind of looked around and thought, well, if we get 20 or 30 people a year come, that would be great. The first hike that was advertised and held there was, I believe, over 40 on it. So, gee, this is more than I thought we'd get in a year. So it was a great feeling. I like the trees, the plants, the animals. It's peaceful getting out into nature, and I want it to continue. A little bit of work has gone into these trails, and I'd hate to see them destroyed. And somewhere down the line, if somebody like Nova Scotia Nature Trust were in control of it, it would probably be cut. Here's what I kind of like to see sometimes. You don't see it a lot, but a wildlife tree. The woodpeckers have been in this tree for years. I was approached by the Nature Trust and learned about their focus on conservation when they were interested in the Acacia Valley Trail System and helping to protect it. After they approached me, I found out about the Ecological Gifts Tax Incentive Program. It's designed to protect ecologically sensitive lands and leave a piece of nature for future generations. I knew that having the land protected forever was the right thing to do, and the Eco Gifts program made it an easy decision.